You took it to the party, like you said, didn't you?
What? You asked Jordan to wait in the massage room naked for a present, but you didn't show up.
I did, but the door was locked. I couldn't get in.
Right, he was already unwrapping his shit.
So what do you get for the man who has everything?
12-year-old virgin. So this is you taking my case seriously.
Jordy,
How you feeling, babe?
Well enough to stick to your script.
I didn't say anything.
You know I don't have anything to hide. I want you to cooperate fully. Ask her anything you like, detectives.
We almost had her, and then Jordan walked in.
I swear this guy's having us followed. We got bigger problems. Paris is calling.
Dominique still refuses to cooperate, but we did locate a witness. Approchez, mademoiselle.
Nicole, you were on the plane with Dominic.
I'm not supporting.
Yo, what the fuck was that?